Hey everyone, so I promised that I would post some new content today, and so I just wanted to, I guess, kind of go over how to make your own Yeso wraps. So one of the things you can do, if you have time and feel like doing it, is you can purchase plaster body casting from Amazon or a vendor of your choice. Um, I like to roll it out, make sure it's about 7 feet. Most of our clients can utilize 7 feet. This is actually a shorter one than I like to purchase. This has a 4-inch width, which isn't as large as I like. I like to get the 6 or the 8-inch widths. But because I already have this one open, this is what I'm going to utilize to show you guys. So what I like to do is roll it out straight. I'm only going to cut a small piece of it just so that I can show you guys. So when you have it out straight and flat, you can see it already has the plaster on it, which is what makes it hard. So there's several different things. I like to get a gallon size baggie, and inside of my gallon size baggie I put half a cup of aloe vera. That's dried aloe vera or dehydrated. I use Go-To Cola. I get this from, I believe I got this from Bulk Apothecary. The benefit of Go-To Cola, so in case you don't know, it helps tighten skin. It helps reduce blemishes such as scars and stretch marks. It also promotes collagen. So this is really beneficial to have for your Yeso wraps. The next thing is wheatgrass, organic wheatgrass. This also helps with tightening and detoxing. And then the chaparral, I utilize this one also, and basically all of them have the same benefits. They just work in various areas. So I will use a half a cup of the aloe, a half a cup of the chaparral, a half a cup of the wheatgrass, and a full cup of the Go-To Cola. Now, of course, I don't have all of that in here because this is just for demo purposes. So I put it in my bag. I also use some mica powder, and that's how I get the colorant in there. Some people may prefer the liquid. That's fine too, except for sometimes it'll make your cast harden, and that's not what you're looking for. You want to wait for that to happen with your client. So I put the mica powder in with my products. Then I will come in and seal my baggie and just kind of shake it around, get all that product on there. All right. Believe it or not, it does stick. If you've purchased my Yeso wraps, you know that it sticks. And I basically infuse everything on there. Once that's done, I'll pull it out of that baggie. I'll have a secondary baggie for my color, and I'll put the wrap in that baggie and shake it around just like the other one so that I can ensure color gets on there. You don't have to use a colorant. I like using color just because it makes it unique, but as long as you have the base products on there, you're going to get a really successful Yeso wrap. So I enjoy doing this on my clients. A lot of them see results by the second treatment. I have them leave it on anywhere from 2 to 8 hours. And they just remove it at home, so you don't have to remove it in your spa. So One thing I do want to warn you with any Yeso wraps, whether you buy from Slim Spa or somewhere else, you need to ensure that you're using some type of slimming cream and that you're applying it liberally. If you're not applying a thick layer of this cream, then the Yeso is going to stick to them and it's going to be like ripping off a Band-Aid. It does not feel very good. So make sure you use a lot of cream. So people have asked, and I wanted to share this, to place a Yeso wrap. The first thing you need to do is exfoliate your client. You can use that by some type of body scrub, or you can use like a makeup wipe, because what are makeup wipes for? They're to remove dirt and oil, right? So you can use either one of those products. Depending on how much time I have will determine which product I end up using on my client. And then I will apply a thick amount of cream all around their torso, back, flanks, everywhere. Just all in their abdomen, everywhere. So I will make a thick layer. Once that's done, you're going to take your rolled wrap, put it in a bowl of cold water. Now, what most people don't know is you think, oh, let me use warm water. I don't want it to be cold on my client. The problem is your plaster is going to set way too fast with hot water. So you want to use cold or room temperature water. Put it in there, roll it out on your client. As you're rolling it out, you're going to smooth the plaster and the herbs onto their skin. So you want this to get smooth so it'll stick to them. And you're going to just roll all around. This is just my demo wrap, so I'm not going to use this on anybody. And you're just going to kind of overlap as you're doing it, as if you're casting somebody. And then once that's completed, you're going to wrap them with osmotic wrap, which is my preference, or you can use just any type of plastic wrap and then make sure that that's stuck on there pretty well. So if for any reason your Yeso starts drying while you're applying it, I also like to have a spray bottle with distilled water or demineralized water, and I'll spray them down as I'm spreading it on. Or I can dip my hand in the bowl of water and apply my wet hand to them as well. You also want that bandage to be damp when you're applying the plastic, because we want the plastic to stick to the bandage. The whole point of this is to promote skin tightening, to promote their collagen, to promote weight loss. A lot of people say, well, it's water loss. That's not necessarily true, because we are promoting thermogenesis, which helps break down the fat. So the more frequent that the client comes and gets this done, the more benefit they're going to have, the more weight loss and tightening they're going to see. So I hope this was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a great day.